Welcome back to Master of None. My name is Rodney. It's been a long time since I've done an unboxing. Right now, the big movie that everyone is waiting for, anticipating, is the Flash movie by DC Comics, and it stars Ezra Miller, and of course, it's the return of Michael Keaton's Batman. As you can see behind me, I've decided to start my own version of the new bat suit that Michael Keaton will be wearing in the movie. But the reason why I'm doing this video today is because I'm also doing an unboxing. Selman Markovic from Cosplay Underground is the first one out the gate with the Michael Keaton cowl for this new Flash movie. And that's what I'm going to unbox today. So let's get into it. Ooh-wee! Here we go. Uh-oh. Already seeing an issue. So I think this is due to partially how it was packed, but also probably how the box was tossed around. Yeah. With latex, normally with a little bit of heating, you can straighten the ears or can get things to reform properly. That's already the first issue. Oh. Okay, so everything is unboxed. This cowl comes with Velcro to adhere the emblem, which is the first thing that I showed you when I pulled it out. So, all right, I'm noticing small things, and I'll show you what they are and the imperfections. See if I could get close enough. Now, the first thing I'm noticing is there's scratches. I don't know if it was in the molding process or if, something, maybe bubbling. I'm not someone who does casting, so I'm not exactly sure of what causes certain things, but I am seeing random places on the cowl that I think there have been videos on how to touch up defects like this, but I don't know if it's something that you can do with urethane or if it's just strictly a foam thing. So that's my first issue. Yeah. All of the detail of the cowl, if you're familiar with how it looks in the movie, all of the detail is here in the the lines. I was on a couple of sites where people were actually complaining about all the detail that they put into the cowl and that they put into the suit that they felt was unnecessary. But everything that I'm familiar with as far as the image is concerned, the detail in the brow, here in the cheeks, everything is as it should be. And it has a nice weight. I'll try it on to see how the fit goes. But yeah, these blemishes on the outer portion, that's a craftsmanship thing, and also something I feel should have been caught before shipping out. But let me try it on. Goes on easy enough. It feels like it's a great fit. I'll have to look at myself in the mirror to see how it looks on my face, but it's very comfortable. There's a little bit of room in the cowl and around it. This is a 24. I ordered a size 24 because my head is 23 and a half inches. So I wanted to make sure I didn't get something that was too tight. But in comparison to the other cowls that I have a lot of Batman cowls. If you follow me, you know that it fits pretty well. And I think I could hear pretty well. I could hear walking around upstairs in my home. So I don't think that's obstructed. But I probably look crazy because my ears are cocked in one of these directions. After looking at myself in the mirror, I just noticed something else. There's something different. I don't know if maybe if the heating will take this out, but there is like a dip here in comparison to this side. There's like more air or more space here than here. This seems to be collapsed. So that might also be contributing to the ears not standing up. I was really excited about getting this cowl. I was really hoping that this unboxing was going to be a very positive one. I've dealt with Cosplay Underground for a couple of other purchases that I was satisfied with, but you know, with the imperfections that I'm finding, you know, in the cowl and the fact that it was sent out like this, I can't recommend you make this purchase. This is, I mean, it's very possible that this is just one that got by the maker and, you know, maybe it wasn't noticed, at least, you know, this part of it with the ears being, you know, the way that they are. But this soft spot here, the scratches around the cowl, that's poor attention to detail. That's something that should have been caught. And, yeah, that's pretty bad. So, yeah, the only other maker that is working on this cowl that I think has completed it, you know, for sale is Alter Ego, and they're in Great Britain. The only reason why I didn't consider them is because the American dollar doesn't necessarily do so well over there. So it fluctuates, and, you know, you go from having a decent price to a very expensive price to purchase and have it shipped to you if you're not overseas. So that might be the better way to go. You make your choice. Hopefully I could work out something, you know, with Selman, and we can do something about this. But yeah, not happy. I was hoping to do a suit up to finish my suit and then premiere this cowl, but I'm not even sure if I can get the ears right. So we'll just see how it goes. But anyway, thank you for tuning into Master of None. I have a lot of really cool projects coming up. I am going to complete Red Death. I am going to finish this version of the Keaton Bat suit. And then I'm also going to do a suit up with the Dark or Black Flash. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. And always come back and check me out at Master of None. Thanks a lot.